Okay, so here's Kamron. He's going to be at the conference coming up. His trusty sidekick, Sir Robert, in the background.
Yes, sir.
Yep. And so what booth are you guys going to be at? Do you know the number?
We're going to be at booth 217.
Booth 217. Okay, that's where it's happening. Booth
Absolutely.
217. So what are you working on there, Kamron?
So right now our Surface Pro is not connected to anything. It's completely wireless. What we want to show is how easy it is with a remote desktop from Iron Orbit. We can connect online. And now we're on our environment in our cloud. We do host GPU software such as AutoCAD and SolidWorks. If you click quick, it's adding to it. We can go into the program and we can start drawing up whatever we like. Now this is something that usually requires heavy machinery and heavy GPU. We've been able to simplify that to where you can use that on any device anywhere.
We're on a typical Windows 10 desktop, just like what you're used to using. You hit the start button, you have your applications, folders where you save all of your documents, shortcuts on the desktop. And then in order to get to the cloud, to the GPU desktop, we're just going to double click on this icon here that's called Iron Orbit, and we're going to click on Connect. This is going to connect you over to the hosted desktop. As you can see, this desktop boots up and is ready to go within seconds. Now, viewing the desktop, we have installed already all of your GPU-enabled applications. AutoCAD, Revit, SolidWorks are very good examples of these types of applications that we have. Now, the reason for moving to the cloud rather than using your typical workstation or laptop, desktop, etc., is, as we know, those devices are very, very expensive and you have to renew them and refresh them every 2 to 3 years. Rather than doing that, you're not doing any processing locally. Instead, you're running all of your desktops and applications in the cloud at our data centers on servers. So as we double click on AutoCAD, for instance, you can see this is going to launch and run just as it normally would with the same performance and that you would expect from your current workstation. Instead, this is all running virtually, and all you're doing is you're just sending mouse clicks and keystrokes, and you're receiving back screen refreshes. All the real work is being done on the servers at the data center. This allows you to be untethered from your office. So you'll be able to run these desktops from any type of device anywhere in the world. This will run on a PC, obviously, as we're doing right now. It'll run on a Mac, a tablet, even on your smartphone. All you need is an internet connection. Now, again, none of the processing is being done locally, and it is totally device agnostic. This also allows you to reach your hosted desktop, work on your hosted GPU desktop from anywhere in the world as long as you have that internet connection. So you can take your laptop home with you when you travel, if you're going to a convention, if you're meeting with clients, or if you have a tablet, or if you have last minute updates you need to do before a meeting and you have, your phone or another device, you can bring up all these applications, make all the changes you need on the fly with GPU performance, and everything is saved and backed up with full disaster recovery at our data center.